Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2022 CFMOTO C-Force 800 XC. We've just installed the TUSK street legal kit on it. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about how the kit works. So with the kit, it does come with the wiring harness as well as this switch right here that you're going to install up on the handlebars. You do have an on-off switch here. This is for the street legal kit alone. So if you have this in the off position, horn doesn't work, turn signals don't work, so you will need to turn it in the on position. Now, how does it work? How does it operate? This red button down here does have your horn. Now, the CFMOTO series that we're talking about right now has a horn as well. You don't have to do both if you don't want to. This particular customer wanted both. You can do them at the same time. Very nice. So how does it work for the turn signals? Simply rock this switch to the left. Anywhere you can drill a 3/4 inch round hole, you can install one of these lights. Very nice and bright light. Again, anywhere on the plastics, up on the side that you can drill that 3/4 inch round hole, you can install that light. And then same on the back side. Great easy location to install those lights on the CFMOTO. That 3/4 inch light is very bright. And then of course, to go back to turn them off, just go in the center. And then to go to the right position, just rotate it to the right. Same situation there. You do have good visibility from the side as well as the front on that 3/4 inch light, both on the front and the back. And while we're on the back side here, you do have the license plate mounting hardware as well as a nice LED to illuminate that plate at night. 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We'll also go on and post up a link to our sister store, Ruthless Motorsports, where you can go on and place your order online today. This kit is available for every ATV on the market. Please check with your local restrictions and laws whether you can make your CFMOTO street legal in your state. Here in Utah, the only additional thing that will need to be added to this, side view mirror. Have a great day, everybody.